Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're going to be changing the clutch on my winter beater E36 compact. My first time changing the clutch, and I'm really excited to see how that goes. I will have a friend of mine helping me a little bit, so hopefully that'll go okay, but I don't know, who knows. I have also just bought myself some new seats for the beater, as you see right here. So I am really excited to mount those. I bought two of them and it came with some Sparko mounting brackets. I will take a closer look at that later. But today it's all about clutch. So the clutch is pretty terrible right now, and so I mean it needs a swap if I'm going to drive this the whole winter. So we can begin by seeing if the car starts. I've not changed the starter motor yet. I will probably do that today since I'm already going to have the transmission out. Oh yeah, it fires. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Autodoc, and I'm really grateful for that. They sponsored me with the clutch for my E36 compact, so that's really nice. What I really like about Autodoc is that you can choose the price range you want for yourself, because you can choose really cheap parts if you want to, or you can choose more expensive parts, and that's what I really like. You can get really good quality product if you want to, or if you're just having a beater like this and a really cheap car and you don't want to use so much money on it, you can choose cheaper parts. And they have like oil, bushings, bearings, clutches, and they have all the things you need to like maintain your car and keep it in good condition. So make sure to check those out. I will leave links to their website and their YouTube channel in the description below, so make sure to check them out. But now, I will now show you why I need a new clutch, and yeah, let me just demonstrate it now, how bad this clutch is. I will now take the clutch in, throttle to the floor, and then release the clutch, and then you will see how bad it is. Okay, clutch in. You see? That's no good at all. It's terrible. If your car does this, you also need a new clutch. Okay, third gear, clutch in. Look! I mean, it kind of looked like we were spinning, but we did not spin the wheels. It was only clutch spinning. No good. Oh, it's so bad. It'll be great to change this. It will feel a lot better. And here we have the package, the new clutch from Autodoc. So really excited to open this package and get to work. Here we have the clutch pressure plates, thrust bearing right here, high performance grease from Socks, and this is the clutch disc, brand new from Socks, the complete kit, and I bought this for 100 euros, so it's kind of like a decent price, not too cheap and not too expensive either. And we also here have the used starter motor I have bought for 30 euros, so we will change that today as well. So yeah, let's just begin. The first step is to remove the exhaust, because you do want more space. So you need to remove the brackets right here and also remove everything up there to the exhaust manifold. So now I have done that, and it's just to take the whole exhaust down. So we'll get plenty of space to take off this and the whole prop shafts and the gearbox. Okay, now we're going to disconnect the pressure plate with this Umbraco bolts or something. Okay, let's see how it looks behind. Damn. That's bad. Men det där ska vi inte veta. All of this is fried clutch. Look at this. All this is fried clutch. Now we're going to mount the clutch and the clutch plate again, and we need to find a tool that we can put in here. So when we put both the clutch and the clutch plate on, it will be dead center. That's very important. And you also saw that I took a brush on this one, and that was because you don't want, like, this is the surface, you want as much friction as you can. So this was very slippery, but now it's a little bit better. So the clutch will grip better. This is how you can make the center tool really cheap. The one end fits inside the gearbox and the other end needs to fit in here, and we're just using tape, so this will like fill up the hole. So we took a little bit too much, but now it's good. You see it fits right in, and now we will know it's dead center. This is how it looks inside. The center tool going into the flywheel, not the gearbox, I'm sorry. This is the flywheel right here. So now we're gonna put the clutch in, you see, like that. And now to get this dead center, we put the clutch disc over right there. And now we know it's center-ish. Ish. Should be good. It's important that this is center. Okay, the reason why this needs to be dead center, I'm learning as we go here, is because you need to hit that right there and that one. So that's why you need to be center. We're getting somewhere. Okay, since it's pretty easy access right now, it's just up there. I am going to change the starter motor. I am having starting issues on this beater, so I need a new starter. The starter motor is in. Hopefully the starting issues are fixed. Yeah, and here is the old one. Well, it's time to mount the gearbox again, and hopefully we have put everything in center right here. I think we will call it the night very soon. The clock is almost 12 o'clock at night, so we will continue tomorrow, I think. But really fun and steep learning curve this too, because I have never swapped the clutch before, so yeah, really fun to try this out. We're gonna apply the high performance lube, so this gives 7-8 horsepower extra. Look at that high performance lubricate, yeah! Sucks special packaging. Looks like a condom packaging actually. Oh yes, high performance. It's looking straight or center. Hello guys, it's day number 2 now, and we are continuing the clutch swap or clutch change today. And yesterday we tried to get the transmission in, but it turned out that we were too tired and we just called it tonight instead. And today we're going to continue, and the first thing we're going to do is change out this. I think it's called the thrust bearing or something. So we will swap out that. It's pretty easy. You simply just pull it out like this, and we take the new one, which is right here, and install it. So now it is time to get the gearbox in. we got the transmission in, so now we just need to bolt them up all the way around, including the new starter motor, and then mount the prop shaft and then the exhausts. Yeah, sounds pretty easy, but I assume this will take some time. But now it's time to bolt up the rest of the transmission. The gearbox is now mounted all the way around, and I have also mounted the starter, and I have mounted the slave cylinder right there. So now it's just a few connectors and then the prop shafts. Oh yeah, the car starts. So now we just need to mount the exhaust and then we're good to go. Okay, I think that we are done. So time to get the car on the ground and see if the clutch works. And also, I know it starts because I checked earlier, so the new starter works. Everything seems to work just fine, so let's just take it for a short test drive and see if it works. The clutch feels very soft, but I don't know. As long as it grips good, it's the most important thing. Now the window is not good again. You see here, it's not supposed to be like this, but whatever. And I also just fixed the problem when it starts to like mess with me on idle, so I just mounted like that one. A hose clamp right there, and the hose clamp right there. It is smoking. I assume that's from the exhaust packaging stuff. I'll just fill up with some water and then we can take it for a test drive. Okay, so it drives. That's very good. Yeah, clutch seems just fine. When I take the clutch out, it's not like it was before. You remember when the clutch didn't like grip at all? But if I take second gear, clutch in, little throttle and release, right down to the RPM it should be. So that means everything is good and back to normal, just as it should be. Very, very good. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I really hope you enjoyed it and maybe you learned something as well. This is my first time changing a clutch by myself. I got a little help from a friend of mine, but I did most of the work myself. So I'm really proud of myself, and I think it's really cool that I now know how to change a clutch. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and now I think it's 1 hour left of a drift meet that I am supposed to be at with this car, so I'm kind of in a hurry now. So I will rush there and maybe have some fun. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later. Goodbye.